Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather today that encompasses east central Kansas and west central Missouri. Alright? Cities in today's slate include Kansas City, Missouri, Overland Park, Kansas, Kansas City, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, and OFA, Kansas. And we have a marginal today that covers extreme southeastern New Mexico, parts of Texas, parts of Oklahoma, parts of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, far western Tennessee, most of Missouri, eastern Kansas, eastern Nebraska, a little bit of Illinois, the western half of Iowa, southwestern Minnesota, parts of South Dakota, and south central North Dakota. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Memphis, Tennessee, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Des Moines, Iowa. Going to today's tornado threat, we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today that encompasses east central Kansas and west central Missouri. Alright, for that 2% tornado risk. The 2% tornado risk area today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Overland Park, Kansas, Springfield, Missouri, Kansas City, Kansas, and Topeka, Kansas. And now for the wind threat for today, we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today, covering east central Kansas and west central Missouri. The 15% wind risk area today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Overland Park, Kansas, Kansas City, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, and OFA, Kansas. And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher today. One covering extreme southeastern New Mexico, parts of Texas, and southwestern Oklahoma. The second 5% wind risk today covers most of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, southwestern Tennessee, most of Missouri. I think I mentioned northeastern Oklahoma too. Parts of Kansas, well, eastern Kansas, I should say. Sorry, my memory's been a little. Alright, so I'm gonna start this again. The second 5% wind risk today covers eastern Kansas, far southeastern Nebraska, far northeastern Oklahoma, most of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, southwestern Tennessee, most of Missouri, a tiny bit of Illinois, and south central Iowa. The 5% wind risk areas today include Memphis, Tennessee, Little Rock, Arkansas, Springfield, Missouri, Midland, Texas, and Columbia, Missouri. And now for the hail threat for today, we have a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering east central Kansas and west central Missouri. The 15% hail risk area for today includes Kansas City, Missouri, Overland Park, Kansas, Kansas City, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, and OFA, Kansas. And the 5% hail risk, there's a 5% hail risk today covering parts of Texas, parts of Oklahoma, most of Arkansas, northwestern Mississippi, southwestern Tennessee, most of Missouri, eastern Kansas, far west central Illinois, eastern Nebraska, western half of Iowa, southwestern Minnesota, most of South Dakota, and south central North Dakota. The 5% hail risk area today includes Memphis, Tennessee, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Omaha, Nebraska, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Des Moines, Iowa. So, yeah. In summary, a few severe storms are possible this evening from eastern Kansas into western Missouri. So, that's your Day 1 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in factories today. Stay safe in factories today and tonight, whether you're in the marginal or the slate, since you never know what marginal and slate can pull off sometimes. And I will have my Day 2 severe weather outlook this afternoon. Take care.